Can you take this digital circuit and implement it using only NAND gates? Can you do that? Let me know in the comments. The way I would try and do this is to convert these AND gates into NAND gates. It's okay if I invert this and this together. Two inversions mean no inversion. I can do the same for this. A not here and a not here. Two inversions mean no inversion. And right away, look at this. This AND gate has been converted into a NAND gate. That's good. The same can be said for this. I would want another inversion over here. Why? Because invert OR becomes a NAND. If you supply inverted inputs to an OR gate, it's the same as a NAND gate. With that in mind, I'll place an inversion here and I'll supply an inverted E as an input. Now this entire thing, invert OR, is a NAND gate. So this can be redrawn into a NAND gate. Now the problem is here. We don't want to supply E. We don't want to supply E naught as an input. Now to solve that, what if I sent E into a NAND gate? Would that work? Well, if you supply E and E into a NAND gate, what does it become? It becomes E naught. And that's what we wanted. And that completely solves the problem.